In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Whop account and set up a subscription for your app or product. We'll go through each step with careful attention, so by the end of the video, you'll be well equipped to manage subscriptions seamlessly. To begin, let's head on over to whop.com. The first thing you want to do here is log in. If you're not already part of the Whop community, you'll want to create an account. This process is straightforward and user-friendly. Make sure your account is verified, as this is crucial to unlocking those subscription features you'll need. Once you're logged in, it's time to access the specific app or product you wish to offer as a subscription. Start by clicking on your profile icon, which you'll find conveniently located on the page, and navigate to the seller dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your offerings. Take your time to familiarize yourself with it. Within the dashboard, select the app or product you want to focus on. Keep in mind, if you're managing multiple products, ensuring you've selected the correct one is key. Now let's dive into enabling subscriptions. In the product settings, look for a section labeled Pricing and Plans. This is where the magic happens. Here you'll find an option to add subscription plan. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be prompted to choose the type of subscription plan, and in this case, we're opting for a monthly subscription. This approach is flexible and popular among users. Next, let's set up your pricing. Enter the monthly price for your subscription. Determining a fair and competitive price is essential, so take your time. If you wish, you can also add discounts or trial periods, like offering a 7-day free trial. This can be an excellent way for potential subscribers to experience what you offer without immediate commitment. Alongside price, you'll also want to write a description of what subscribers will receive each month. Be clear and detailed here, as this will help set the right expectations and highlight the unique value you're providing. Moving on, we need to configure the payment settings to ensure smooth transactions. Make sure your Stripe or PayPal account is linked in the payment settings section. This is a crucial step, as it ensures that payments are processed efficiently. It is also wise to choose automatic recurring payments so that subscribers are charged consistently every month. This ensures a seamless experience for you and your subscribers. Finally, take a moment to review everything, and once you're happy with it, save and publish your subscription plan. By doing so, you make it live, allowing users to start subscribing to your app or product immediately. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you now feel more confident in setting up subscriptions on Whop